Hello mummies, welcome to my channel Learning with Flora. In today's video, let's see how to make bi-weekly planner for the 3rd and 4th week of February for playgroup kids. So in the 3rd and 4th week, you can again go with the topic early humans and their progress, that is fire, clothes and food. You can introduce or give basic knowledge to the kids. Then as the letter of the month is F and numbers of the month is 8, lot of writing practice will be given. And in language development for the 3rd and 4th week, let the child talk about his or her favorite food. Vocabulary building, revision of all the alphabets that is being introduced to the child. In sentence structure, it is food is one of the basic needs for all. In rhymes, you can do the revision of all the rhymes that is being introduced. In storytelling for the 3rd and 4th week, it is the magic pot. And in picture reading for 3rd and 4th week, revision of all the letters that is and its associating pictures that is being taught. In pre-writing stroke, 3rd and 4th week also give the same O stroke. And in early writing, the 3rd and 4th week, it is to introduce writing number 8 and revision of all the letters from L to F, that is L, T, H, I, E, F using both standing and sleeping line. Then reinforcement activity, you can do revision or give more lot of practice according to the child's requirement. Where the child is lagging, there you can give more practice. In Montessori language activity, trace, stroke, O and F on sand trays. And in math, picture reading, revision, you can do according to the child's requirement. Rhymes, again it is revision of all the rhymes that you are teaching. Actually February there is no much oral activities, but you can give a lot of revision. You can know where the child is by giving lot of assessments. So in oral, for the 3rd and 4th week, you give or you play games that involves number identification activities. Number writing for 3rd and 4th, it is to introduce or trace letter 8 and revision of other numbers from 1 to 10 in sequence. Montessori math activity, same as the 1st and 2nd week, that is number quantification activities, but here you can use different objects like spoon, rajma, frogs, socks, whatever you have at home. And in theme and concepts, you can say the stories of early men with appropriate pictures, like how they discovered fire, then how they invented cloths, all those things. Then fun activities, pretend play, early humans, gross motor skill development, whatever activities are possible. Music, the same songs, you can ask the child to listen. Then in games, outdoor and indoor, whatever is possible. Then In fine motor skill activities, you can continue with paper tearing and paper crushing. Then in coloring, you can introduce various shapes like square, circle, triangle. You can keep dots of various shapes and ask the child to trace on those shapes. Then origami, here you can, once the child has learned fan fold, you can draw a fish and make a tail using the fan fold pattern, and you can stick it for the tail of the fish. In social and emotional development, say a topic that the child can talk about, or you can also talk about the about the topic to the child, so that the child gains more knowledge. In cognitive skill, brainstorming activities and worksheets related to the theme of the week or month. Free play is the child's playtime. Cultural, again revision of the first and second week activities. Yoga, also the same thing, revision. Again physical activities, also you can again give warm up activities, all those things, whatever the child is comfortable. And in practical exercise of practical life, you can give rolling a mat and how to carry the mat. In sensorial activity, you can allow the child to explore the other things in the environment to know more about the texture and shapes of the object. So in the month of February, all the writing work, that is alphabets using standing and sleeping line and numbers from 1 to 10, we have covered from the month of August to February. Now the child will be able to write letters that are being formed using standing and sleeping line strokes. So those letters are L, T, H, I, E, F and numbers from 1 to 10. After they have finished writing these, you can give assessment for the child from the month of March onwards. So a playgroup child by the end of their academic year will identify all the alphabets from A to Z and their associating picture, and also be able to write the 6 alphabets which use sleeping and standing line strokes and numbers from 1 to 10. So this is more sufficient for a child who is in playgroup. Thank you for watching.